Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make marble texture. We'll begin by gathering our essential supplies, such as acrylic paints in 3 to 5 harmonious colors, a sturdy canvas, and a fine mist spray bottle. It's also wise to protect your work surface with a drop cloth or newspaper. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable creative process, setting the stage for a beautiful, unique marble finish. Now let's apply the base layer. Take your lightest acrylic paint color and spread a thin, even coat across your entire canvas. This foundational layer is crucial for achieving depth in your marble texture. Ensure it dries completely, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes before moving on. A dry base prevents colors from muddling together too soon. Next, we'll create those iconic marble veins. Drizzle your darker paint colors in thin, organic lines across the canvas, mimicking natural patterns. Use a fine brush or a skewer to gently swirl and blend these lines, creating a realistic veining effect. Then, lightly mist the wet paint with water from your spray bottle. This helps the colors spread and soften, enhancing the illusion of genuine marble. For the final touches, allow your beautiful marble texture to dry completely, which typically takes a full 24 hours. Once dry, apply a clear sealant or varnish. This protective layer not only safeguards your artwork, but also enhances the depth and vibrancy of the colors, giving it a professional, polished look. A glossy finish truly brings out the intricate details of your handcrafted marble.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.